Welcome to cheapohippo.com, your personal bargain hunter. Lowe's has the Dremel MS20-01 Moto-Saw variable speed compact scroll saw for a low $69. See price and cart. Buy online, pick up in store. They charge sales tax in most states. This is 30% less than elsewhere. This variable speed control saw is both a stationary scroll saw and a handheld portable coping saw. Great for hobby and household projects such as model building or woodworking and light repairs. For more information and to get this deal, click the link in the description section below. For all the latest hot deals, subscribe to our channel on YouTube, or visit our website at cheapohippo.com.